Hi, and welcome to the SugarHero channel. I'm Elizabeth, and today I'm going to show you a cool recipe / kitchen trick. We are going to make these candy cane hearts. They are so cute, so delicious, and honestly, so easy. Start by preheating the oven to a really low temperature, 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Unwrap your candy canes and arrange them on a lined baking sheet. You can use a silicone mat or nonstick foil or just parchment sprayed with nonstick spray. Arrange them facing each other in a vague heart shape, but it doesn't have to be super precise. It really doesn't matter. Place your tray in the warm oven for 5 to 8 minutes. The candy canes are ready when they're warm and somewhat soft and pliable, but don't leave them in so long that they start to melt and collapse. Carefully and gently form them into a heart shape. Press the points together where the two candy canes meet to really fuse them together. Just a warning, be careful while you're doing this step. The tray will be hot, the candy will be quite warm, and you don't want to hold it for extended periods of time. Work it and touch it only as much as you need to make the heart shape. If the candy canes start to cool and harden and they're too hard to work with, you can stick the tray back in the oven for a few minutes to soften them up. Then, once all of the hearts are formed, let them cool completely at room temperature. These are cute on their own, but I like to give them kind of a peppermint bark filling. So take some white or dark candy coating and heat it gradually in the microwave until it's melted and smooth. Spoon the melted coating into the center of a heart and spread it into a smooth, even layer. If it's kind of thick, you can tap the tray on the counter a few times to get it to smooth out and level off. And then to finish it off while it's still wet, add a big sprinkle of crushed candy cane pieces on top. These are great with white chocolate, dark chocolate, or you can swirl them together if you want both. To do that, start with one color in the center and drizzle a second color over the top. Take a toothpick and just swirl them together to make a really pretty design. Add your candy cane pieces and it's perfect. Of course, these taste good, but I also love using the mini ones as cupcake or cake toppers. And I like to package the big ones and give them as edible gifts with some fancy cocoa or coffee. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun dessert recipes. Happy eating!